Today I'm going to show you how by combining matzah with an egg, you can create something amazing. It's Passover, which means that Jewish people are supposed to go a week without eating bread or anything bread-like, so no cookies, no pretzels, not even pasta. Why? I don't even know myself. You could probably look it up, but instead our one carb is limited to this matzah. So this essentially a giant cracker, bland, incredibly dry, no flavor. I just find it funny because over the years, countless times I've heard the same thing. Someone will say to me, "Oh, you're Jewish? You know, I really love matzah," which is just hilarious because Jewish people, we don't love matzah. We only eat it because we have to. I mean, it's called the bread of affliction. I mean, does anything about this look good? No. So, you know, by telling a Jewish person you love matzah, it's almost an insult. It would be like me going to a Christian person and saying, "Oh, you're Christian? You know, I really love not eating meat on Fridays during Lent." See, same kind of thing. So us Jews are pretty much stuck eating matzah for a week, but thankfully over the years, thanks to some Jewish ingenuity, people have created new ways to reinvent matzah and make it more tolerable. And my favorite way is matzo brei. And if you don't know what matzo brei is, it's essentially take matzah, crush it up, and moisten it, coat it in egg, and fry it. So it's pretty much French toast, but instead of sweet, fluffy bread, it's made with matzah.
It's made with matzah.
So trust me, it's better than it sounds. So matzo brei, let's go make it awkward. Start by breaking up 2 sheets of matzah. Pour over some hot water and put it aside to soak. Then crack open 2 eggs. Give it a mix. Drain the water from the matzah. Add in the eggs as well as some salt and pepper. Give it a good mix until all the matzah is covered with the egg. Then dump the mixture into a hot pan with butter. Spread it out and then let it cook and give it a stir every couple minutes. And you want it to cook through and get golden brown. And I should point out that you could easily scale up or down this recipe, just 1 sheet of matzah per 1 egg. So here's my perfectly cooked matzo brei, and now let's talk toppings. First and foremost, you put butter on it. And I know we cooked it in a lot of butter, and I'm gonna put a lot more butter on top, but that's the best way to have it. And so you just put it on top and let it melt in. And if you watch my other videos, you know that I try to watch my cholesterol, but today, putting that all aside, because I am gonna enjoy the hell out of this matzo brei. So then the other topping is jam, usually strawberry, but any flavor you want. Same thing, just pile that on as much as you want. And then I also put some more salt and pepper on top. Just something about the salt and pepper mixing with the strawberry jam and the butter just makes it so good. Got some butter, some jam. Yeah, it's so good. It's so nostalgic for me growing up eating this. So if you're not Jewish and all you know from matzah is eating it straight from the box, I implore you to try this recipe. It will change your life. And if you are Jewish, then feel free to comment and tell me all the things I've done wrong compared to your own recipe. I'm ready for it. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my matzo brei, but until then, I wish happy Passover to all those celebrating and happy experimenting with matzah for those who don't. And remember to embrace the awkward. If you like what you see here, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.